Hello friends, welcome back to Krishna Motors Vashi. Today we have a 2021 Hyundai Creta finished in Galaxy Blue, came in for some quality work. So guys, in the starting from this side we have installed the black and chrome window visors. Then on the rear end we have installed the reverse camera. Then guys, in the interior, starting from the floor, we have installed the heavy quality black lamination. Then guys, on each end we have installed two sweet little car tweeters, comes with Alphine components. Then guys, we have installed the custom built seat covers from Neofit in black and white diamond stitching, which are eco-friendly and comes with 2 years of warranty. The best and the most important thing we have installed on this car is the Motevo Android player, which comes with 10-inch touch panel, Android features like built-in Google Maps, Facebook, YouTube and a lot more.